Okay, gonna add some effects, right?
Yep. Alright, I've hit F6 here. This gets us to the second screen of our mixer.
Right.
And as you can see, we have reverb, chorus, key, and our output. This can we can assign our sounds out separate outputs, good for separating your drums, and we can turn up effects. Now, I've selected our string here on part 6.
Right.
And what I'm going to do is turn up our reverb. So you can see here I'm just moving the jog wheel. And you can also use your real-time control knob if you want, right here. So you can see it's going up and down there.
You see that? Move the real-time control knob? I see, it's controlling it also.
Now I'm going to turn it all the way up. And as you can see right here, I have assignable SW. 1 will be my chorus for right now, and 2 is going to be my reverb. They have to be highlighted for me to be able to hear them.
Got you. 2 effects, chorus
So now
and
that they're
reverb.
highlighted and I have my string, you should be able to hear some reverb. Hear that?
That corresponds to that track 6?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see where the 6 keys blinking right there?
Yep, that's
Got
because
it.
we have part 6 selected.
Got it.
And we've turned up the reverb on part 6. We can turn it down.
Make it loud. I want to make sure we can really hear it real loud. So they can hear it really well here.
Alright, so if we need a bigger space
Oh,
for
I hear
our
it more.
reverb, let's change it, Doc. Let's go to Effects. We're going to hit the Effects button.
Which is
here.
right over there. Okay.
We're going to go to our effects screen, and as you can see, we've got the first MFX.
Right.
These we'll show you here in a minute, but then we've got our chorus and our reverb.
Got it.
Alright, I can just turn the dial and change my reverb, but I want to actually see the parameters for reverb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So I'm going to hit reverb.
Got it.
F6 here, and I'm going to turn the dial. We've got SRV room, and it gives us all of our parameters, our pre-delay, our reverb level, you know, our size. Let's see, we've got a hall. See how they're changing a little bit?
Yeah, I see that. They're changing as you select the different reverbs.
So here's a room. I'm going to make the size a little bit bigger. Oh, I'm going to make it smaller here.
Oh, yeah.
Change the high cut. You can edit your reverb. And we also have chorus.
Chorus.
Now, let's select delay. Sounds pretty cool there. We could put some delay maybe on those strings as well. I'll go back to mixer. I'm going to press F6 again for a little pad change there. And now, on my strings, I'm going to start to turn up our chorus.
Oh, I see a chorus with like a delay to it.
And that's because when I went to effects and went to chorus here, I pressed F5 for chorus, I selected delay.
Got it.
And you can select your delay time there for right, left, center. You know, quarter notes, eighth notes. It's pretty good. And this actually goes right with the tempo that's set in your sequence.
Great. Let's hear it back on the sequence.
Alright, I'm going to go back to sequence, go to the top. You hear those strings delay.
I hear them delay in the background. Okay.
Check this out. I'm going to go to the mixer, and to make sure we've got those effects on there, I'm going to hit mute and solo here for F3. And as you can see, I'm using F4 and F5 to move back and forth. I'm going to solo by pressing F7 our strings.
Uh-huh.
Pretty cool.
That's cool.
See it's delaying. Close that. And we can change the levels of chorus and reverb in real time.
Okay, this is kind of cool. Well, you know, that track sounds funky, but we don't want to lose this thing. Let's try to save